Alright, so it's really cold outside. It's probably about 40 right now. You can see the snow on the mountaintops, but the valley's all clear of snow now, so it's okay to ride. Let's take her out and stretch her legs a little bit. You know, it's cold on the bottom half, as they say, freezing your balls off. But the top half, I got 2 jackets, so I think we'll be alright. Hit it! Skalkaho Highway. One of my favorite loops to make. Perfect to stretch your legs in the winter. Well, it's not even winter yet, actually, it just feels like it. Bridges may be icy when dry, right? Isn't that what those signs usually say? I don't know. I gotta turn around so you can see this view. It's awesome. Nice little dirt patch to stop. See, there's still a little snow on the ground. More expected in about 4 days, I guess. All right, hop on and hold on. We are going left. Golf course road continues to the left, and we are going left. Continuing the loop. Corral. This was closed for a long time during the summer, and now it's open again. So let's take it. All right, to cap our journey, our quickie today. We had a nice quickie. We're gonna head up to the airport and see if anybody's got some good taste in airplanes. Planes that I should be flying instead of riding. Anybody want to guess this one? Hamilton Airport Road. A grasp for the obvious. Well, you just missed that Cessna takeoff. Let's see what we got on the ground here. Mostly 152s. Is that an old Piper or a kit? I don't know. And then a poor guy without an engine there. He needs an engine. Alright, I'm not going to get out and take off the gloves and all that because there's really not a whole lot here. Oh wow, there's a lot of land moving equipment way out there. Anyway, right on. Dust on the road here. Gotta watch your turns. More than usual. They're definitely doing some kind of project out here. That being said, we're back to East Side Highway. We're gonna call this one finished. Thanks for coming along. Hope you're all surviving 1984 out there. And we'll see you next time. Rock and roll. Yeah, slide that back tire.